There are over 70 million fathers in the U.S. Inventive fathers, athletic, brave, but not everyone knows who their father is. For 40 years, we thought we did, until today.
I wasn't sure who your father was.
How does that work?
It was the crazy 70s. Monogamy wasn't exactly a priority.
I've always wondered where I got my zest for lovemaking. Now we know. Our father's been out there this whole time.
Here we go.
Operation Who's Your Daddy? The top mission is finding dad. Submission is going to be having stone crabs. Mission below that, getting you laid.
Mom actually dated Terry Bradshaw?
Do you remember a woman named Helen Baxter?
Talk about a blast from the past. She had the tightest ass you've ever seen. A mouth and that tongue and a set of knockers. Damn near cost us a Super Bowl.
She's our mom.
Why don't you just stop this foolishness?
This is it.
What are you doing here?
We think we're your sons.
Excuse me for a minute.
There is no way those two jackasses are my kids.
He runs hot, just like you. Give the man a ride.
He could easily be a serial killer.
Are you a serial killer?
I am not a serial killer.
You just emphasize the word serial. Like I'm a killer, but I'm not a serial killer.
But that was totally unintentional.
You're still not saying, I promise I'm not a killer. We can give you a ride, but those aren't too tight, are they?
Almost kill you, can't kill you.
Oh. Dad. We got a runner!
You shot Dad!
What was that?
I think it was a person.
The universe has a tendency to point you in the right direction.
Yes.
Guys, my Negro spider senses is tingling. It's not the Soul Train, guys.
Father figures.
Does the name Helen Baxter ring a bell?
It does more than ring a bell. She was like a dick whisperer.
She's our mom.
All we did was cut her.